Hey, how's everybody doing? Are you avoiding the rain? We actually didn't have that much here. I was kind of disappointed actually. I was hoping for a good decent rainstorm. Help me out with my work a little bit. I'd put some chemicals down on the concrete and was going to let Mother Nature do some work. And I mean, I think it got enough rain that it did a little bit, but not as much as I'd hoped. But hey, what can you do? Can't control the fucking weather. So if somebody could, they're slacking severely because, I mean, especially in Ohio, look at their weather. It's like it literally changes. From the time they say what the forecast is, an hour later, it's different. So it is what it is, right? Anyhow, this is kind of an unorthodox kind of unboxing video. It's not really an unboxing video, technically. Sort of, kind of. I guess you could. It's in that vein, but not quite. I had some gift cards with Amazon. I'd spent a little bit. I had a little bit left, and I'd been seeing a lot of buzz about this particular card company. Sports cards. I don't really collect them. I mean, once in a while I'll buy some, and I got a big box of like baseball cards, but they're mainly a lot of common player cards, just regular Don Russ and Topps cards from like from the late '70s up through early '90s. So nothing major, nothing really valuable. But I've been seeing a lot about this company that to me is fairly new. I don't know how long they've been around, but it's Panini, and they have a lot of like really cool cards. I mean, a lot of like signed ones and ones that have like pieces of jersey and foil, and I mean they've stepped up a bit than your standard cards. So I went online and Amazon, I happened to find a box that I could use what I had left in my gift card. So I got an unopened box, just a small box. It's supposed to have 42 cards in it. But it is the Panini Contenders 2016 draft picks. Says find 2 autographs per box on average, and it's got a $19.99 is the retail. I'm thinking I paid maybe just a little bit more than that, and with shipping, and of course with shipping it was more than that, but I can't remember exactly how much it was. But I thought, what the hell, I don't have a whole lot of football cards. So I thought I'd get this and, see, maybe I'll get lucky. Because, I mean, some of these cards I've seen, the signed ones, I mean, you can turn around and auction them off and get several times what you paid for the box back. So, figure what the hell. If I don't, well, then I got some football cards. So, we'll open these up and we'll go through and we'll see. Of course, they're in individual packs. So we'll just open it up and see what we got. I know, kind of boring, right? Unless you really like football and you're into trading cards, then this might be kind of exciting for you. Alright, let's see. Okay, first we've got a running back, Chris Johnson. This is a season ticket card. There. Johnson. Back. I'm not going to show the front and back on all of them. I just wanted to give you an idea of what they look like. Alright, next, and he was from... I can't. The print says small. I can't. It's like East Carolina, maybe. Is that what that says? I can't. It's ECU, whatever that is. All right, next we've got another season ticket card. Blake Bortles, quarterback from UCF. All right, next we have a school colors. I recognize this name, Dak Prescott, Mississippi State University. There's that one. Pretty cool. Alright, next we've got old school colors. Richard Sherman, cornerback. Okay, we've got a game day. Nick Vanette from the Ohio State University. And another game day card. This one is De'Runnya Wilson from, looks like, Michigan State. So that's pretty cool. It's kind of cool to get the Dak Prescott card in there. See a lot of cards for him. People are trading and selling. So cool. Alright, next. I'll try to. I don't know whether I'll go. This might be a long video, but we'll go through them real quick. Okay, we've got Adrian Peterson from the Oklahoma Sooners. We've got a Rush Week card from Louisiana Tech, Kenneth Dixon. Oh shit, I'm knocking stuff over. Oh my god. The damn thing won't stay up now. Stay. Stupid thing. Alright, next we've got a school colors, DeMarcus Robinson from the Gators. We've got old school colors, Peyton Manning, Tennessee. Okay, game day. We've got Michael Thomas from the Ohio State University. And we've got Joey Bosa from the Ohio State University game day card. So that makes 3 Ohio State cards I've gotten already. Alright, next. Looks like there's a total of 7 packs in here. Alright, season ticket. We got TJ Yeldon from the Alabama Crimson Tide. We've got class reunion card, Julio Jones from, looks like, Alabama. We've got a school colors, Tyler Boyd from the University of Pittsburgh. Had it tilted just right to see the fine print down there. Alright, here we got old school colors, Melvin Gordon, running back from, looks like, Wisconsin. And we've got Hunter Henry game day card. Looks like he's from the Arkansas Razorbacks. And then we have an Alabama Crimson Tide. We've got Derrick Henry game day card. Next. I'm trying to hurry so the video isn't too long. Alright. I recognize this name too. We got quarterback Richard Sherman. There we go. Oh, and we have our first signed card right here. And it is, man, a Prince. Okay, looks like D. Is that DL? DJ. Or is it? Yeah, DJ. Yeah, DJ Foster. Huh. There you go. DJ Foster. Signed card. Alright, next we got school colors. Christian Hackenberg. From the, looks like Pennsylvania State University. Okay, old school colors. Marcus Mariota, quarterback. And of course, those are, I mean, it's got the colors on the card, but the photo itself is more in kind of gray tones or black and white. Hence, old school. Okay, game day card. Connor Cook from the Spartans. And game day card. Devin Kaju. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. It's Kaju. I'm saying it's probably like French or something. You probably don't pronounce the J. So I don't know. Somebody knows how to pronounce it. Oh, there you go. I don't have a fucking clue. Alright, next. Got 3 packs left. Right, we've got season ticket. We've got Thomas Rawls from, I think that might be Connecticut. I could be wrong though. I'm not completely up on all of my college football team icons. So, okay, here we have a collegiate connections card of Tim Tebow and Emmitt Smith, both from Florida Gators. That's a pretty cool card right there. 2 big names on it. Yeah, that's cool. Here we have school colors, the University of Alabama, Derrick Henry. Old school colors, wide receiver, Julio Jones from the Alabama Crimson Tide. Game day, we've got Kenyon Drake from Alabama. And the last one in this pack is Ezekiel Elliott from the Ohio State University. I don't really know why they say the Ohio State University. I'm sure there's a reason for it. So that's why I'm doing it, just because everybody else says it, that's how they say it. I mean, if they're going to say it that way, they should spell it that way. T-H-E-E. Before, not just the. But that's just my thoughts. I'm sure there's an actual reason why they do that. Okay, season ticket card, quarterback. We got Julian Edelman from Kent State. Alright, here's a passing grades card. Connor Cook from the Spartans. Oh, here we go. School colors. Another Ezekiel Elliott from the Ohio State University. Alright, now, turn right. Old school colors. We've got defensive end J.J. Watt from Wisconsin. Game day card. We've got Trey Madden from, it's like, what is that? Yeah, Southern California. And a game day card of Carson Wentz from North Dakota State University. Alright, we're down to our last pack here. Hopefully we'll get another signed card. If not, it's alright. We've got some decent cards, I think. A number of names I recognize, you know, guys that have gone on in the NFL to make a pretty big name for themselves. And here's another one. Here we go. We got quarterback, season ticket, Joe Flacco. Alright, next up, yep, here's another signed card. This one is for Kyler Fackrell. Facxrell. There we go. And then we've got school color card, University of California, Berkeley, Jared Goff. That's G-O-F-F, not to be confused with golf, G-O-L-F, or the golf, as in G-U-L-F. It's G-O-F-F. One of my good friends, still one of my best friends, even though we don't get a chance to talk a whole lot anymore. You know, as you get older, that kind of happens. But actually, him and his brother, John Golf, he graduated the same year as me, and his younger brother, Jason. Good friends with him. So, I don't know, just a tidbit of useless information there. Here we go, old school colors. We got DeAndre Hopkins, wide receiver from Clemson. I think that's Clemson, right? Yeah, Clemson. Okay, and we got a game day for, well, I don't, that's kind of weird the way they got that picture on there. It like actually covers up the first couple letters of his name. We got Devontae Booker. It's the first card I've seen it's like that. From Utah. But yeah, see how his foot is covering. And then the last card in my Panini Contenders 2016 draft pick unopened box is Rashard Higgins from Colorado State. So there we go. Some good cards. I really like how they look. I mean, they're very nice looking cards. You know, I'll have to go in and look and see if, you know, if any of them are kind of hot items right now. I might see if I can auction it off. But you know, the three I'm most impressed with are the Collegiate Connections, Tim Tebow and Emmitt Smith, and of course the two signed. And you can tell, looking at this, it's got kind of a reflective thing here at the bottom that the signature's on. I mean, this isn't like a reproduction. That's what makes these Panini cards, I guess, probably so hot with their auto cards in the packs, is because they're actually that's the actual signature. You know, they have the players sign these, probably so many of these little, basically like decals or stickers, and then they affix them to the card itself. So that's pretty cool. That, or what they might do actually, which would probably make more sense, is they probably have the player sign the card, and then they put that clear protective like decal over the top of it, because I mean it's that would make more sense. That way it's protected. But yeah, so there we go. There's the two signed ones. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. I'll have to get a couple of high-end protectors for those. That's it. That's it. That was my kind of weird unboxing video for my sports cards. So Hope you enjoyed it. If you like football, you probably did. If you don't like sports, find that totally boring, I would guess. But there it is. I'm waiting on a pizza. I'm going to click back over and see if it's on its way yet. Everybody have a good night. I'm going to go watch some NCIS Season 12 and relax. It's nice to be home before dark. It really is. I almost don't know what to do. It's weird. It's like I got a whole day ahead of me. I'm being sarcastic. I don't mind working the long hours. I don't mind not getting home till 8:30 at night because my bosses are nice enough to me that they respect the job that I do, and they allow me to get the hours that I get, and it certainly comes in handy. Just house payment and odds and ends, and of course my daughter's going to college. We'll start paying on the Parents Plus loan for that, which isn't going to be pretty. But hey, it's my daughter. She's worth every penny of it. And she's doing a great job. She's doing really well in school, so I'm incredibly proud of her. I could not be prouder as a father of my daughter. Everybody have a good night. And the weekend's coming up. I won't be doing any videos for the weekend, unless my full moon box happens to come tomorrow or Saturday. But hey, go out and enjoy the weather. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a little bit cooler. I think it's going to be in the Ohio area. It's going to be like in 50s, low 60s. But hey, that's almost perfect weather, I think. Go out, do something productive. So yeah.